We've got some muddy trucks waiting to be cleaned. Who could this be? Of course, it's Bobby the bus. Now he can clearly see. Now let's wash Bobby's friends. Here comes our biggest vehicle. He sure had some fun today. It's Larry the lorry. He's big and tall and grey. And third in line for cleaning, flashing lights upon her head. It's Fiona, the fabulous fire truck, shiny, strong and red. The fourth truck is so dirty, only her eyes can be seen. It's Rebecca, the recycling truck, with her paintwork bright and green. Do you know who the sixth one could be? Covered in gunk and goop. It's Danny the digger, with his enormous yellow scoop. The fifth truck has 4 giant wheels. He's really very mucky. It's Max, the orange monster truck. It's his fault they're all yucky. The seventh, with a mud-filled loudspeaker balanced on her head. That's right, it's Amber the ambulance. Now she's back to white instead. The eighth one through is smaller. Let's get his colour back. It's Tony the helpful taxi, with his paintwork glossy black. The ninth one is another car. At least that's what I think. It's Sophie the speedy sports car. What a lovely shade of pink. This last vehicle is the 10th we've seen. Let's make her good as new. It's Millie the motorbike on 2 wheels. A brilliant shade of blue. Everyone looks fantastic. Now you're all washed and clean, you can go back to your important jobs. Well, watch out for that muddy puddle. Uh-oh, too late. Here comes Bobby the bus. He spends his days picking people up and dropping people off all around town. He's a very helpful little bus, but his engine doesn't sound quite right. I'm Gecko, and this is my garage. Here at Geckos Garage, me and the mechanicals fix any vehicle in trouble. Bobby's on his way to my garage because he doesn't feel very well. Here comes Bobby now. Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Hello, Bobby. Drive onto the turntable so we can take a closer look at you. Let's all see what we can learn as we make Bobby turn. Bobby's wheels. He wouldn't take his passengers very far without these. They go round and round, just like in the Wheels on the Bus song. Bobby's sign. Bobby has a sign that can change to tell passengers where he's going. It helps passengers catch the right bus. Bobby's wipers. These keep his windscreen clear of rain and dirt and bugs, so his driver can see where they're going. Bobby's headlights. Bobby needs powerful lights for driving at night time. They help him see the road and help other vehicles to see him. Bobby's horn. Bobby's horn is very loud. He can sound his horn in an emergency to make sure other vehicles know he's there. Bobby's doors. Bobby has a special set of doors for his passengers so that they can get on and off the bus easily. Bobby's engine. Buses are heavy and need a powerful engine to turn the wheels. Bobby's rear lights. Bobby has red lights at the back so that other vehicles can see him in the dark, and also to let them know when he's slowing down to stop. Right, shall we try and work out what's wrong with Bobby? What do you think's wrong with him? It sounds like your fuel tank's nearly empty. Shall we give you a top up? Fill, fill, fill. Let's fill up your tank. For all of this fuel, I'm sure you'll thank. Let's fix that light that was so dim. Full, full, full. Full to the brim. There. All fixed up and ready to go. Have a good day, Bobby. I know a song about Bobby the bus. It goes something like this. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. Hey! The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish all day long. Oh, hey there! The doors on the bus go open and close, open and close, open and close. The doors on the bus go open and close all day long. Here we go! The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all day long. Oh-ho! The engine on the bus goes brum, 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 brum. The engine on the bus goes brum, 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 all day long. Go, Bobby! The lights on the bus, they light the way, light the way, light the way. The lights on the bus, they light the way, all day long. One more time! The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. Well done, Bobby. It's been a long day, and now it's time for you to rest. Good night. Oscar the bus works with his friend Bobby, carrying passengers around town. Here they come. Wow, Bobby's fast. Oh dear, it looks as if Oscar's having trouble keeping up with Bobby. Oscar is slow. Hello, Oscar. You made it at last. Let's take a good look at you. Bobby was big and shiny and new. But Oscar is small and rusty and old. His top deck has no roof, so his passengers get cold and wet in the winter. I know you feel tired and sad, Oscar, but I don't think you're ready to retire yet. Perhaps you just need a new job. Why not let Bobby take all the passengers to work and school? And you could become a summer tour bus, showing visitors all the sights and sounds of the town. Let's get the mechanicals to fix you up, give you a fresh coat of paint, and get you ready for your new job. Go, go, mechanicals! I know you're feeling old and tired, but there's no need to fuss. Visitors to an old town would love an old bus. You won't need Bobby's sat-nav to find your way around. You've lived right here for 80 years. You know every sight and sound. There'll be time to enjoy the sights because you're slow and steady. And what a view from your top deck. Cameras at the ready. And when each summer's over and the tourists go away, spend the winter at Geckos Garage. What a cosy place to stay. There we go, Oscar. The mechanicals have fixed you up a treat. You look very smart, and I think you're ready to start your new job. And you have your first customers already, the mechanicals. They deserve a fun trip around the town after all their hard work. I hope Oscar and the mechanicals enjoy their tour of the town. Here come our biggest friends. They're going to help us learn to count to 10 today. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you help me count the trucks whilst they do their important jobs? Oscar the old bus is number 1. Slow and steady, but he gets the job done. Larry the lorry is number 2. Perhaps he's got a parcel for you. Fiona the fire truck is number 3, spraying water on a flaming tree. Celia the cement mixer is number 4. She churns and churns some more. 5 is Dylan with a heavy load, helping to build this tarmac road. 6 is Bobby. He's doing fine, dropping off passengers, rain or shine. 7 is Helen with her rotor blades turning. What a long list of numbers we're learning. Giant George is number 8. He's a real heavyweight. Caroline the crane is number 9, swinging the hook at the end of her line. Rebecca the recycling truck is number 10, collecting old things to use again. Are you ready to count them one more time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 big trucks. If you love this video, tap here so you're the first to know about my latest videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.